Hello everyone, welcome back to Project Vampire Resurrection, and today I'm going to show you a few of the small things we've done since the last update. I actually did quite a bit of cleaning over this past weekend. Got in some edges here. There was a lot of dirt and buildup in there. Even a little bit of algae, kind of green stuff growing on it. And we got a lot of that taken care of. The glass is smeared. I haven't actually cleaned the glass. That's just from where I was cleaning the outer edge. Let's unlock this. That might help if I stuck the key in there the right way. I cleaned this chrome tailgate guard the best it would clean up. I cleaned some of the inside areas, inside at the bottom, and the edges of the tailgate. I cleaned all around these except for some of this. I cleaned around the edges here of the seal, cleaned up under these, which was actually very dirty, cleaned down in the cracks here, cleaned out everything in the mirrors. Just water left, that's all that's in there now. There was some of the green stuff growing here too. And all these edges. And let's see, what else did I do? Worked on cleaning some of the junk out of this boot. There was a lot of buildup in that. It's still got some in it, but it's definitely looking a lot better than it was. And actually, there's quite a bit up under here that I still have to get. Small thing I forgot to mention before is I did reinstall the antenna. That was not on the truck because he had a cover on it for a long time. So he took that off. I put that back on. And here you can get a look from the other side of the rubber boot that connects the cab with the bed, or connects the cab with the shell, I should say. Still got some in there, but this side's clean up under there. This mirror, nothing but water left. It's definitely coming along. Let me show you after I get done dropping the keys. We'll show you the inside is now completely vacuumed. That was in progress the last time I made a video. The carpet is actually in pretty good shape. We have just a couple little worn places up there, a couple here. The passenger side is actually worn a little more than the driver's side. You can see that's in pretty good shape over there. The seat really wasn't very dirty. Vacuumed the material on the door panels. lock that back so I don't forget. And if we come back around here, here's another thing that's gotten a lot of improvement. The black material is actually back up on the left side, driver's side. Everything except for right next to the box. There's a small piece that needs to get put back up there. The right side is still down. I've done a lot of vacuuming back here. Not much left to do. The only vacuuming that still needs done and cleaned on the material is that corner. The material's bunched up on the bottom, so every time you move the material you have more stuff fall out of it for a while, and you got to keep vacuuming it over and over again. That's pretty much what I did here and up in that corner. That's pretty much all we've done lately. This progress has been slow going, but and that's the progress we've made in the last several days. And stay tuned till the next update. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.